Okay, I got the walls up on the building. A couple things you might want to know about doing a building. I like to make the front and the back walls as wide as the building, and then the side walls would be 7 inches shorter to meet up with the front and back walls. I like to use pressure treated wood on the bottom here in case the floor should get wet. Just something I do. And on the corners, I like to use 3 2x4s on the corners. That way, on the inside, you get a nice corner here to attach like drywall or paneling or something. Building a shed is a lot like building a house or a garage, so it's a good skill to have. So if you can build a shed, you could build your own garage or even your own house someday. Just wanted to do another video and update, I guess, on the building. That's it for now.